Hello everybody, it's Tina. How are you today? I have another entry to my 2K challenge giveaway. It is from Andrea Strobel. It came. So I'm so happy because it was supposed to be in my mail yesterday and it didn't show up. And there was a note on it that said, yep, it was at the post office. So let's check it out. Alright, here's a little note. It says, hi Tina, thank you for hosting this challenge. Congrats on 2K. Hope you like my entry. Andrea. It's in this little black envelope. Did I say black? I meant clear. Wow. Clear envelope. So look at it. It says cherished. It's got a little banner pieces and a circle and some flowers and a bow. And there's a little brown bag. I like how you guys are doing these. They're just, everyone is so different. It's so cool. And Andrea is from Pennsylvania. Her birthday is July 8th. Favorite colors are blue and any pastel colors. Favorite craft, pocket letters. YouTube, Andrea Strobel. I don't do videos. Well, maybe someday you will, Andrea. I always tell everybody that. Okay, let's put Andrea's name down. She is my 22nd entry. Awesome. Andrea. Plenty of time to still join. Strobel. Okay. And my scissors. Oh, right here. I was like, where's my scissors? Always losing my scissors. Put her little name and address. Look at the back. It's got a little daisy flower in a little envelope. It's so cute. Okay. Box. Look at it. It's filling up, guys. It's filling up. Looking cool. We have Andrea's name. Fold it. Fold it. And put it in there and shake it up with the rest of them. It's going to be so cool. On June 5th, I am going to, the last week of May, I will come up with the time frame. So if you want to catch my live when I do the drawing and show all the wonderful cards again, I will post that, make an announcement, and put it up the last week of May. So that, or that week of going into the 5th, because I said June 5th, I'll pick the winner. So that week prior to the 5th, I will make an announcement what time I will be going live and picking the winner and all that good jazz. So I want to thank you, Andrea, for joining the challenge. I greatly appreciate it. It's so cute. And I hope everybody is having a wonderful Wednesday. It is kind of yucky here. Rainy, just one of those rainy off and on days, overcast, not warm. It's good. It's a good day to make some vegetable beef soup and have some crackers and crawl in bed and watch a good movie. Kind of days is what I call these kind of days, because you can't. We were gonna mow the grass, Scott and I, but now we can't mow the grass. That was our intentions. We were both gonna go mow Scott's dad's grass and get that done today. But we can't, because it's raining off and on. Okay. So, as always, guys, you know the drill. Oh, by the way, I changed my name. If you haven't noticed, it's now Tina's Messy Crafty Life. I kind of added messy. So, because I'm always messy, guys. I'm always messy. See, already today. And I washed this off last night, but it's stained on my wrist. I can't get it off. So, can you say I'm a crafter and a mixed media crafter besides? So, as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. And thank you, Andrea.